Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today is the third day of algebraic fractions and this is little advanced level. So let's get started. So here in this problem we can see here x square minus 9 is a difference between two square number we can factorize, right? So let's we factorize that first. So 4 over x minus 3 minus 5 x minus 3 and x plus 3. That two bracket we can factorize the x square minus 9, right? Okay, now because we have to subtract this one and both fractions denominator one bracket is a common, right? X minus 3. So final LCM is a x minus 3 and x plus 3. Okay, so here the first bracket has already x minus 3, first fraction has a x minus 3 already. So just first fraction we only have to multiply by the x plus 3. So 4 multiplied by x plus 3, top and bottom both, minus 3 and x plus 3. Okay, take away 5 x minus 3, it has a both bracket, right? So we write as it is. And top number we are not doing anything new here, so top number we are not multiplying with anything. Okay, let's do it. 4 times we expand this bracket first. Okay, so 4 times x, 4x plus 3 times 4 is a 12. Okay, minus this 5, I am writing this thing on a one fraction over the one fraction line and common factor, so I am writing only one's factor. Okay, x minus 3, x plus 3. Okay, and here 12 and 5 is a common, both are constant term, right? So we can simplify it. Okay, here already I written the another sum, so I just write it here. So 4x as it is, and 12 take away 5 going to be a 7 over x square minus 9. I just simplify that and write it in a common way. So this is the answer. Okay, let's move on for the second sum. So here let's see where we can factorize. Okay, this is quadratic factorization we can do here and here, but see here we have a multiplication. Okay, remember that. So first let's me factorize this both. So x square minus 5 plus 4 can be factorized 4 we need the multiply, and when we add we need 5, right? So 4 times 1 it is a 4. Okay, and because we need the minus 5, so minus 4 minus 1 gives us minus 5. So both we when multiply both negative, of course that gives us positive, right? So it is a x square. Okay, I am factorized direct. Okay, not going to further because I am sure you know that thing we learned earlier. So x minus 4 and another bracket is a x plus 1 over x minus 4 times. Okay, here let's do x square plus x minus 2. So when we multiply we need the minus 2 and we add we need the plus 1. So what are two factors of minus 2? Minus 2 times 1 or 2 times minus 1, right? 2 is a prime number, so we cannot have any further. Okay, we need the 1 positive, that's why we do the 2 positive, 1 negative, so that finally give us the 1. So these factors we use. So x plus 2. Okay, I am doing here direct factorization. If you are not sure for the quadratic factorization, you can see my previous video about the quadratic factorization. I will add the link in a description. And here x minus 1, which I copy here. Okay, okay, here it is a multiplication sign, so simply I will cross wherever it is possible. X minus 4, x minus 4. Okay, x minus 1 here also, here also. So you can cut either one, this one or here, wherever you want. Okay, so here this is all, everything cancel down, here denominator cancel down, so only numerator remain. Okay, so numerator either you can write the x plus 2 and x minus 1, or you can write just this thing. Okay, so expand the bracket. X square plus 2 minus x minus 2. You might have a question why we do and then do it again back. Of course, at the beginning we don't know that where we can cancel down this one, right? That's why we factorize this, but at the end we need nothing to cancel with them, so we just write it back as a quadratic expression form. Okay, let's move on for the next question. Okay, here this can be factorization. This is the quadratic factorization. This is the difference between two square number factorization. So let's do that first. So first one is a 25 is a square root of the 5. So x minus 5 and x plus 5 to factorization over x plus 1. Okay, I change the division sign to the plus sign and I flip this fraction. So x goes top and this one goes bottom, and that I factorize also same time. So when we multiply, we need a 15, which is a positive. When we add them, 2 factor of 15, when we add, we need the negative 8. So what are the factors of 15? 15 times 1. Then 15 times 2 is not, 2 times is not possible. Okay, 5 times 3, it is a 15, and that will work. But both if negative, then when we multiply, negative times negative gives us positive 15, right? Positive 15. And minus 5 minus 3 gives us minus 8. Okay, so x minus 5 and x minus 3. So this is, we factorize here. Okay, here it is a multiplication sign, that's why we can cross down. So this one and this one can cancel down. Nothing else can cancel down because x minus 3 at the top we cannot find anywhere. Even x plus 1, it is not anywhere. So let's write x plus 5 in a bracket times x. I write everything over the one fraction line, and this one right next to each other. So x plus 1 and x minus 3. Okay, now I expand the bracket, top one and bottom one as well. So x times x, x square, x times 5, 5x over, okay, x times x, x square, x times minus 3, minus 3x, 1 times x plus x, 1 times minus 3, minus 3. Okay, these are the like terms, right? So we have to add them. So x square plus 5x over x square minus 2x minus 3. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, nothing can cancel down, and this is our final answer. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching, and of course if you have any question what you want to learn, please comment me. I will solve that question and make the video on it and send on the YouTube. Thank you.